the specific types of contracts. So under specific contracts also, the first type of contract that is mentioned is a contract of indemnity and guarantee. So if you look at the Bare Act of Indian Contract Act, you would see it is Chapter 8 of the Indian Contract Act that talks about this specific type of contract. It is Section 124 that defines what is a contract of indemnity. And it is Section 126 that mentions what is guarantee and who all would be the parties to a contract of guarantee. So we will only see the difference between indemnity and guarantee. That would help you understand what is a contract of indemnity and guarantee. So in case of indemnity, it is a contract in which one party promises to another that he will compensate him for any loss suffered by him by the act of the promisor or any third party. That means in case of indemnity, what happens is one person is promising the other person to undo the harm or to compensate for any loss that the person is suffering due to any act done by the promisor or any third party. So because of any situation or any reason, if one person is suffering any loss or harm, the other one promises to compensate him for that. For example, A is the owner of a company. So he is the owner of a company and B is his employee. He is an employee of A and A is having a company and he is the employer. So take for example, in this particular case, what happened is B is an employee in A's company and B came to know that A is in need of an accountant in his company, and B's son has completed accountancy course, so he wanted his son to join A's company. Now what B approaches A. So B approaches A and tells him that maybe for your like the vacant post for accountant, maybe you can consider hiring my son C. So in this particular case, what A can do is that, for example, A is the owner of company. So what he can do is that your son is not having any experience, so I'm not like very confident on hiring him as my accountant, because in case he makes any mistake, I will have to suffer the loss, right? So because this post is for an accountant, so I want some experienced person to join my company. So in this case, for example, B tells A that I am confident enough that my son would not make any mistakes. In case he does, I will compensate it for the loss. That means in case your company is suffering any loss or harm because of my son, I will compensate you for that. In case he is negligent or anything, I would compensate you for that. That means the person is indemnifying. The person is promising to compensate A, the employer, that in case you suffer any loss or harm due to negligence or lack of knowledge of my son, then in that case, I will compensate you, or I would compensate your company for that particular loss. That means the person is ready to indemnify any loss. So when one person promises to compensate, one person will promise to compensate the other for any loss suffered by the other person. In that case, it would be considered as a contract of indemnity. Same